Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I'm going to explain the next one, that is poem, which is given in your New Champs English Reader book. Dear student, we have already completed the chapter number 3, and now today we're going to start the next one, that is a poem which is given on page number 23. Okay, student, and the title of this poem is Miss Polly. Today we have to recite this poem, and student, you all take out your New Champs English Reader book and open page number 23. And on page number 23 there is a poem Miss Polly. So first we will recite, and after that I will explain this beautiful poem to you. Okay, student, so you all start reading this poem with me. Okay, so every student put finger on your book and let's start the reciting. Okay, so there is a first line that is given. Miss Polly had a dolly. Dear student, there is a first line is Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So next is, so she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. In first, we have to learn that Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. And after that, so she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. Now the next line is, the doctor came with her bag and her hat. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. Now the next line, and she knocked on the door with rat-tat-tat. Rat-tat-tat. Now the next, she looked at the dolly. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, student, one more time we're going to recite. That is, Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat, and she knocked on the door with the rat-tat-tat. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head, and she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, student, so this is the poem that we have to read. Now, dear student, I'm going to explain this poem to you. So first of all, tell me what's the title of this poem. So we have to learn at the beginning the title of this poem is Miss Polly. So tell me what the spelling of Miss Polly. So the spelling of Miss Polly is M-I-S-S Miss and P-O-L-L-Y Polly, Miss Polly. Okay. So one by one I'm going to explain this poem line wise. Okay. So dear student, first of all I will tell about the poem. So the name of this poem is Miss Polly. In this poem there is a little girl. As you can see at your screen that there is a little girl whose name was Miss Polly, and she had a sick doll. She had a sick doll. As you can see, there is a doll and the doll was sick. So this little girl loved her doll so much, so the whole poem is moving around the Miss Polly and her doll. Okay, student, and in the given lines there is a Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So in this poem there is a girl called Miss Polly, as every girl has her favorite dolly. Like each girl have their dolly in her childhood. So student, in this poem there is a little girl whose name is Miss Polly, and he had a dolly whose name who was very sick. So that's why she calling for the doctor. She called doctor and she is saying that to come fast. Here is a line to come quick, quick, quick. It means as soon as possible the doctor come to her home. Okay, student. So that Dolly gets fine as soon as possible. The doctor comes. The doctor comes with his doctor kit. As we all know that doctor is wearing a hat, a coat. So in this poem, the doctor came with her bag and her hat. Okay. And when she comes, so that time she knocks the door with a rat-tat-tat sound. As the doctor looks at Dolly, here is the line. She looked at the Dolly, then she shook her head. So as the doctor looked at Dolly, she started to shake her head and she started to shake her head and said to her that Miss Polly, put this Dolly straight to bed. Okay, student? Dear student, this is a very beautiful poem that we learn. In this poem, we learn that this little girl is very nice person and she is paying more attention to her Dolly who was very sick. So dear student, through this poem, the poet of this poem wants to tell us that we should always take care of our lovable person whom we love so much. Okay, student? We pay more time and more attention to that people who is very important for us. Okay, student? Just like this little girl love his Dolly. So that's why when the Dolly falls sick, so that time she call for the doctor and tells the doctor that come fast as soon as possible to check her Dolly. So the doctor came with her hat and bag and the doctor knocked the door with a rat-tat-tat sound and she looked at the Dolly, then she shook her head and she said to Miss Polly to put her straight to bed. Okay, student? So I hope is that clear to you? What's the moral of this poem? You must be learn this poem and after that you have to write this beautiful poem in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, student? So now we're moving to the next, that is exercise. So here is the exercise. Enjoy the poem. Okay, student, enjoy the poem. So we have already enjoyed this poem by reciting. So now come to the exercises. Here is the exercise A. Answer this question. So first question is, what did Miss Polly have? So student, tell me, what did Miss Polly have? As we all learn in this poem that Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly. And next question is, who did Miss Polly call for? Tell me, who did Miss Polly call for when her doll is sick? So she called for a doctor. Now the next third is, what did the doctor come with? What did the doctor come with? So the doctor come with her bag and her hat. Okay. Now the next stage, read aloud with your teacher. So dear student, you must be read this given word with me in a loud voice. Okay. So there is a double O. We're going to learn this given words. So first is B double O K book, S double O K hook, L double O K look, N double O K nook, T double O K took. And after that, COAL call, FOAL fall, FOAM form, GOAT got, ROAD road, BEAD bed, BEAT bait, CREAM cream, NEAT net, and CEAT set. Okay, student? Now the next. So next is there is an exercise. It's a fun time. Dear student, you must be read these given words, okay, with the spelling. Now moving to the next, that is match the name of people with their things. So dear student, as we all know that there are many peoples in our neighborhood who help us in our daily routine. Okay, so there is a first we have to match this given names of people with their things. So there is a first doctor. So tell me which things is used by doctor. We have to match with the name of people with their things. So one had been already done for you, so you must be match the second one, that is gardener. So as we all know that gardener use the these things. Now the next is tailor. So the tailor use this given things. Now the next is painter. So as we all know that painter use the brush. Now the next last one is farmer. So we have to match like this. Okay student, so I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises, and you also learn this given poem. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.